get our conversation going with Mr. Parag Shah, the Chairman Emeritus at Man Infraconstruction, joining us on the show. The news flow, of course, has been around the 550 crore thereabouts that they have, raised through marquee investors who have actually checked in. Hi, thank you so much for making time and speaking with us, Mr. Shah. To begin with, as far as the pricing of this is concerned, because this is coming lower than the current market price, what would be your reply to that? And secondly, in terms of the utilization of funds as well, we understand you're looking at probably getting more real estate parcels and development, but anything in the pipeline?
Good afternoon. See, the price, answer to your question about the price raising, as per the SEBI guideline, the price comes to 152 rupees, which we had issued the shares at 155 rupees. Now, this price right now, the market is appreciating. We are happy to see the price also. But we always keep some margins for our investors. So we had kept the price slightly lower.
Right, Mr. Shah. This is Vinny joining in the conversation as well. Also, just want to understand in terms of the company that is also looking to reduce your debt levels. Is the company now cash, net cash, as well as in terms of obviously what are the targets for cash utilization as well as debt levels that one should watch out for from the company going forward?
See, actually, frankly speaking, the debt of the company is 125 crore rupees. It's not more. And we are sitting on a cash liquidity of already 300 crore rupees. Out of 125 crore rupees, 50 crore rupees that we'll be paying in next 7 to 8 days time, irrespective of this 550 crore rupees. So net debt will remain only 75 crore rupees. That is also working capital. So this fundraising is not for reducing any debt because we have cash balance almost more than 300 crore rupees plus already. The fundraising is mainly for future expansion. There are so many projects are coming in a pipeline. Real estate market is booming and the luxury sector is also doing very well. So we have raised the fund for next 2 years' time.
You're going to utilize it over the next 2 years. But Mr. Shah, given the fact you're talking about the real estate sector is booming, talk to me about what could be your growth rate over the next 3 to 5 years. What's the target revenue and profitability you have set for yourself?
See, we are doing almost every year 30 to 35% growth will be there. And that we are expecting, and that month the pipeline is already there. So we have projects almost or which we are near to finalizing. So in next 5 to 6 years time, that execution capacity will be gone to somewhere around 3 crore square feet in Mumbai.
Okay, point taken. Sure, go ahead.
Yeah, and we do not need actually any debt in future also. Company historically is a debt-free company, and that's the principle of a company. And we strongly believe that in real estate sector, if your financial closure is good, you always make money, you don't go wrong. So this is for the future projects.
Also, just want to understand in terms of, the company is also expanding its presence globally, especially in the US. How much % of the sales will be coming from these international projects then, and what is the growth outlook there as well?
In US, we had invested around $29 million. Out of $29 million, till now we have invested somewhere around 12 million, and the 17 million is the liquidity over there. There we are doing 3 to 4 projects, but the projects will start now. There was one small project which is almost near to completion. But in 4 years' time, we believe that, and I don't think that we need more funds initially. At least for next 1 year, maximum maybe $5 to $10 million we may require more. But in again next 4 years' time, we expect somewhere around $25 to $30 million profit from that.
Right, Mr. Shah, thank you so much for joining in with us this afternoon on ET Now, giving us an understanding into the fundraising and what's the plan there, as well as in terms of, what should be the outlook that one should watch out for from the company going forward.